Scene script. Imagine you're in a grand library, surrounded by countless books stacked neatly on towering shelves. Each book is unique, it carries a distinct title, has a specific number, and contains its very own story. These books are akin to the processes in a computer system, and the library shelf, a perfect representation of the process table. The process table is a treasure trove of information. Each process, like a book, has its unique identity, status, and additional details recorded in this table. To understand what's happening in the system at any given moment, we need to traverse this process table, just like walking along the library shelf, scrutinizing each book. Now, how does one go about this? The procedure is similar to reading books on a library shelf. We start at the very beginning, with the first book on the shelf or the first entry in the process table. We open it up, reading the details, understanding the plot. In the context of a computer system, we examine the process's ID, name, status, and other relevant data. Once we've gleaned all we can from the first book, we move on to the next, just as we would move to the subsequent process in the table. This progression continues, from one book to another, one process to the next. The journey doesn't stop until we've perused every book on the shelf, every process in the table. It is a systematic exploration, a thorough examination of each individual element. Why is this traversal so important, you might ask? Well, it plays a pivotal role in system management. An operating system, for instance, may need to check the status of all processes periodically. This information aids the system in efficiently allocating resources, monitoring performance, and managing process termination and creation. Translating this to the language of programming, traversing the process table involves utilizing system calls or APIs that the operating system provides. This allows developers and system administrators to access, iterate through the list of processes, and perform necessary actions based on the gathered information. In essence, traversing the process table is a systematic exploration of all active processes on a computer system. It's akin to methodically checking each book on a library shelf, an essential task for gaining a thorough understanding of the system's current state. This understanding is pivotal to effective system management and control. It is the key that unlocks the full potential of any computer system.